Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is your host Somsekhar Matt. I'm your digital growth consultant and a coach. In this video, we would be talking about digital profile funnel. So if you don't have this in your business, then you're missing out the big customer acquisition, because you might have seen all the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. They need to ask you one thing that is called as a bio link, or we call this as a profile funnel, because all these customers are connected on this all social media networking sites like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So if you want to create a website or a sales funnel, you're showcasing your product, that's good. But more important is the conversions. That means they need to connect with your communication channel and one link which can connect to your funnels. So let me showcase you how this gonna works. You might have seen on the Instagram that you have an Instagram account, and it will ask you whenever you post anything that is, like you might have seen a lot of big influencers and all, they say one thing, that click on the link in the bio. So why they say link in the bio? There is a one link which is there in the bio of Instagram, which is called as this link. So whenever they click on this link, they go to this link. We call it as a profile funnel. So this is the digital profile funnel by Instagram for a customer acquisition, because whenever you post something here just like this, so I'm posting all these things like this, at the end I say that click on the link below and check it out. So they can able to connect with me on WhatsApp, they can able to connect with me on phone, email address, Telegram and in Messenger. So, and also I can provide them a link which can redirect them to the website and all. So I will showcase step by step how this gonna works and how powerful this can be. So this is called as a profile funnel, which is amazing. Okay, whenever you go to Facebook, okay, so you can paste this link, okay, and you will get this short link at the top with your domain name, and we can create just like this. So let me showcase you this product here right now, which has a headshot at the top, and which is your profile pic, your name, WhatsApp number, one connect, you can able to connect to the WhatsApp, one click you can able to connect to the phone number, one click you can connect to the email address, Telegram and Messenger. And Messenger bots are now, the chat bots are more brilliant for customer acquisition. So this all are the communication channels. So someone visited your Instagram, someone visited to your Facebook, you have a link in the bio. So link in your bio. So someone visited your profile on the Facebook or Instagram and LinkedIn. They need one thing to showcase your product. So without any distractions, they can click on that and they can showcase. So you can see that I have this link here. Once they click here, they will come here to the bio. Why I'm redirecting directly to this bio? Because I can showcase all the products here. So I have the number, they can connect with me, and this is the free training program which I conduct every week. So that is a live training which I conduct every week for my students. So they get inside this. Once they click, they will able to see me. Yes, there is a free masterclass. They get registered here. That is a free acquisition of the customer by just creating this bio funnel. So that means whenever I post something on Instagram, I will tell them to go to the bio, and the link is in the bio. So whenever I post something on this, I will tell them to go ahead and click on this link, and they will come here. Once they click on here, they will able to see this. All right, so this is the bio funnel. This is the training program what I conduct. And now if I also run a digital agency, so they want to see my digital agency, they just click on this and they can able to see the link here. So this is so powerful that they can one bio funnel which have so many links here, to showcase your product in a simplest and more powerful way. This is my digital agency, what I run, which is called as all-in-one digital marketing and sales automation, where I help business to grow on automation with the help of automated selling system and marketing communication channels. So this is what I can showcase them. They can go here and they can check on my website about me, who I am. So it also built up your branding here. So now once they want to join my community also, there are a lot of people who want to join my community for checking out how my community is. One click, they will be going from here to my Facebook group. So it is so powerful that they go here on my Facebook group here and they will join. So once they join here, I will showcase the product, how to generate leads, how to automate your business, and the community is so powerful that I can nurture my customers by taking them to all this nurturing system. Now if they want to click and they want to see the offer, I can also integrate with the InstaMojo. So it's so brilliant that InstaMojo, RazorPay, or any payment, PayPal, Stripe, you can do that. So I have an offer for this software, and now it is 41,999, that is 42,000 rupees of product. I'm giving the offer in 4,999 for the lifetime pack. So this, they can go ahead and purchase it from here. I don't have to paste. If some customer will ask me something, I don't have to paste anything. I just need to provide them this link and they can go ahead and pay me. Now I also have a podcast. They want to listen to my podcast, so they can click on here and customer can listen to my podcast. So that means I'm showcasing all the product which is required for any business or any business areas. The motto here is that you're showcasing everything in the one funnel without any distractions. So now you also have this called as a Facebook, where you can click, it will take them to my Facebook page. That is a Facebook fan page. And second, they can click here, it will take them to Instagram. Then once they click here, it will take them to Twitter, and once they click here, it will go to my YouTube channel. So that means they want to watch my YouTube channel, and there I post educational videos or some affiliate marketing, business prototypes. I give them a frameworks. I also provide them, showcase some of the tools. And now what I'm giving here is the subscribe button. There is some link which I have created where I get more customers. So this is how I get more subscribers on my YouTube channel. So no matters where you get a customer from, you are building your subscriber list, you are taking them to the free training, agency or VIP, they will choose what they want to take it. So in this bio funnel, why it is so powerful that it does not have any distraction, just like a website. So many images, so many things you have written, so they get distracted. So now in this funnel, whenever there is a distracted mind or when it is confused, they don't take any action. The customers don't take action once they have a confused mind. So this is called as a digital profile funnel. It has been profiled in such a fashion that there is a high conversion rates for this. So how do you create this is powerfully, and also the best part about this, how many clicks you got it on WhatsApp, how many clicks you got it on phone, how many clicks you got it on this emails, and everything, the clicks would be trackable. So how powerful this can be, how much time it will take to create this type of a thing is just a 5 minutes. So in a 5 minutes you can able to create this type of a funnel, just like entering the number here and creating this WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp and phone number, email address, and that's it. Just providing them a link and it will create a beautiful and more high converting funnel, digital funnel for you. And also you can create the headshot. I have given this image here. You can able to change this image by clicking on here. So you can also have a custom link or you can have your own link, that is your domain link. So you have a domain, you don't need any hosting, you connect with this, and that's it. You are ready to go and create your own buyer funnel. If you don't have any domain or you don't have any hosting, that's not any problem, because it already creates a link of this short link. Okay, we call this as a short link. And also you can create a Facebook pixel here. You can integrate a Facebook pixel here, so you can track and you can have someone visiting to your Facebook profile. So what gonna happens is you can run ads and retarget them, whoever visited to your profile funnel. So which is it happens when you're running a Facebook ads. So I'm not going into much technical, but the thing here is this is what the powerful digital profile funnel is. One go, you can create it in 5 minutes, and it can also be trackable. I want to show you how it can be trackable here. So it is so powerful method to track any business. So it's really important how many clicks you got it, how many things it's been done. So I will go back and I want to show you here. So how this gonna works. So, and there is a lot more features I want to show you here. So now once I go here, you can able to see that there is this domain. Wherever I got a click, it can be registered here. Once I click here, this is another profile what I have. You can see that I'm getting clicks from 3 clicks today, and I got a 253 clicks from Messenger 32, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, email, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the websites. So this all the clicks has been recorded, so powerful that it also shows what browser they are using, Google Chrome or Facebook apps, Facebook Messenger, how did they click, where did they come from, that is the country, that is Canada, Germany, United Kingdom. So it also shows that what this smartphones they are using, that is Android, iOS, Linux, or whatever the Mac OS. So in this case, it becomes more important for you to target an audience who are using this thing. And now it also shows that where you're getting a customer. I got 117 clicks from India, United States, America. I got 67 clicks, and this is what the power of this tool is when it comes to creating a social profile funnel. So this is all about the social profile funnel. In the next videos, I would be covering about how to create a short links from this, how to have a file which is locked here, how to create a rotating links, how to create a group links, how to create an opt-in page, and also capture the leads inside this. This is the powerful tool, and also I want to give it a free training on this. Okay, so if you like this, and I'll also show you how you can make 70,000 rupees, that is $1,000, by creating a profile funnel like this and creating a customer acquisition. This is the need of an hour, trust me, because every business owner needs this digital profile funnel, and the links has been trackable and the conversions are too high, they will definitely go for it. And this is called as a Tripwire. You will create this funnel in just 5 minutes, and you can able to create more than 50 custom domains with my standard plan. So if you connect with a 1,000 rupees client, that is 1,000 rupees client, and you connect at least 50, that you're making on average 50,000 rupees per month. And it is not a hard task to capture the market who needs this, because it's just like a digital visiting card for a business owners. How they have in offline business, they are using a digital visiting cards. Now they can use a digital profile funnel. They can go ahead and paste them to every links, every bio. Okay, if you offer them at the start, if you are digital agency, if you offer them for a high cost, right, at that at this time, there are a lot of chances they will not going to purchase any product. If you give them this in 1,000 rupees, create an engagement with them, and then you offer them, telling them that, so if you need this digital agency or a website where the link is there, to click on this link and we can create a website for your business. You can see my profile where I can create a business website. They will definitely go for it because they already know you for a 1 month. So in 1 month you get $1,000. The next level would be offering the website designing. The third level would be the core product, that is your website with Facebook ads or lead generation. So that is the core product, and the profit maximizer is bundle for everything. So everything is being covered here. Whenever you're doing any digital business or you are into an affiliate marketing business, this is the must tool for you, and this can help you to make a lot of money when it comes to having this funnel, because it is most easiest way ever. Just by going here and putting the links here and creating this funnel is so easy that you can create in 15 minutes. And this profile funnel is so brilliant that I get nearly around 25 referrals every month, because once they share this link to someone on WhatsApp or any other groups, most of them, they will ask, how did you created it? Please, I need it. You don't ask me anything, just I need this. Once the customer getting a referrals, so your acquisition raises to heights. So that means it is win-to-win situation for customers, win-to-win situation for you. So it does not take much. Be smart in making money online. This is the best tool what you can get it. So let me know in the comment section, what did you feel about this? What is the biggest takeaway from this bio funnel? And if you want to create this, you can just click on that link below and register a 30 minutes call with me, because I will check in the discovery call how you can make 75,000 rupees every month. That is $1,000 every month with this bio funnel. I will give you strategies how you can create it, and also the offer is going on with 90% off on creating this tool. And also I will showcase you how you can create a short links, opt-in links, and Facebook pixel. So all is been covered in my 30 minutes program and 7 days program, which I am conducting for this, whoever purchases my program and tools. And I will showcase you how you can make $75,000 75,000 rupees per month by creating this digital profile funnel. So thank you very much for coming here, listening to me for my digital profile funnel business model, and thank you. See you in the next video.